In this video I will show you how to fix AO3 not working. First open the Play Store. Then click on Search option. Then search AO3. Then click on it. If your AO3 is not updated, then update the AO3. I hope your problem solved. If not solved, then do this. Open Mobile Setting. Then click on Apps. Then click on Manage Apps. Then search AO3. Then click on it. Then click on Clear Data. Then click on Clear Cache. I hope your problem solved. If not solved, then do this. Uninstall the AO3 and then install it. If your problem not solved, then restart your mobile. I hope your problem solved. I hope this video helped you. If did it, then like and share the video and subscribe the channel.